Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today we're going to talk about how to connect your Trimble R1 GPS to Vermeer Projects on an iOS operating system. So let's get started. To start out, you want to make sure that your device is turned on and Bluetooth to your mobile device. So we'll go into our settings and we'll go into our Bluetooth. And we'll see that we are in fact connected to our GNSS 65344. That's the number of the GPS that we are using. We'll go into our GNSS status app. As we can see, we're already connected and getting correction. In order to select where you're getting your corrections from, you come down to corrections and you can select from SBAS or RTX Internet Services. In this situation, we're using SBAS. Go to our source. We're using Bluetooth. So we'll go back to our home screen. And it's showing at the bottom we're connected to GNSS 65344, and we are currently getting 24 inches of accuracy from SBAS. So now that we know that we have accuracy within GNSS status, we'll go into Vermeer Projects. On the left side of the screen, we'll select our compass. We'll select our drop down where we can choose from our 3 different devices. We'll select the one that we are using and select connect. The bottom left, it'll show high accuracy activated. You can then click on your session information to show your accuracy. And we're showing 23 inches, which matches up with what GNSS status was showing. So we know that we are getting that correction from our Trimble R1. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.